let me explain why you want to go after businesses first. Businesses pay a whole lot more. They need a whole lot more content. They're going to be the easiest work you ever get in your life. 75% of the businesses you shoot is going to require a talking head. So if you can capture a talking head, so if you understand 3-point lighting setup and you understand how to capture great audio, you're 75% qualified to do it. The rest is usually B-roll and editing and your understanding of mixing. When I say mixing, I mean two things: your understanding of grading and mixing. Grading usually is around skin tones and color correction. You don't even need to go off into LUTs and be this super creative director. You don't need to be that way. You grade to correct the color. Let me make sure I clarify that. You don't have to get artistic with it. You need to have the ability to get skin tones right and get accurate colors for the client.